When we receive the goods, we need to take out the water pipe adapter faucet and plastic gasket. Put the gasket into the joint. Then loosen the screws to take out the water pipe joint and connect it to the external water pipe to ensure that it will not loosen or fall off. Then push the joint into the center space and tighten the screws to ensure that the water pipe will not loosen. Finally, we completed the connection preparation of the water pipe storage rack before cleaning.